If you sew, you rip, period. It's an inevitable evil, and you can go like this, or you can be zen like this. Either way, you'll need a seam ripper, a small and handy tool with a sharp point, a little ball point, and a blade in the middle. You start by removing the back stitches if you have any. They are the hardest. You have to unpick each stitch, and most of the time you have to cut them. For normal stitches, you can try to pull the stitches out with the point without cutting them from the bobbin side or from the right side. There is a much faster way, which I call plowing. It only works for seams and hems. You put the little ripper between the fabrics, the ballpoint down, and you cut all the stitches by pushing the ripper along the crease. You have a lot of cleaning with this technique, and it's risky as well. I cut my fabric several times trying to do this. If you pin your fabric on your iron board or you put it under the presser foot of your sewing machine, you'll have more control. Another popular technique is to cut every fourth stitch on one side, then turn the fabric over and just lift the thread of the fabric. For this next technique, you open up the seam, you gently pull the fabric apart and tug a little, and you slice every few stitches. After the ripping part comes the cleaning part. With your hands or with tweezers, or you can use scotch to remove all the little threads. To remove the stitches of your serger, always start on the right side. Release the thread in the middle if you have a 4-thread overlock stitch. This is the stay stitch or the 4th thread. Pull this thread out. If you start on the wrong side or you pull the looper, it will end up in a knot. Then grab hold of the stitch between the V. This is the needle thread. Grab it and pull it out as well. If you have a 3-thread overlock or serger stitch, you just skip the first step and pull immediately this needle thread out. And then all the stitches will come off easily. This is what I wanted to share with you today. You can go to my blog for more details and some extras on removing industrial stitches. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the button here on the left. And if you have any questions, mail me.